Hello dear, welcome to my YouTube channel CAD with Zaid. Myself is Zaid and I am a mechanical engineer and I work in fertilizer sector. I will teach in this channel about AutoCAD. I hope it is very helpful for the beginners who want to learn AutoCAD. I will teach about beginning level to expert level. You can see in screen that is a 3D model of mechanical work. In these models, very different types of thing is created. You see structure and piping, valves, flanges, elbows, and each and everything we use in any company, any sector. I will teach work done in any industry like this. I will teach standard works that applies in any industry. You see here piping. When you open the AutoCAD, this interface is in your front. That is recent files, previous work about my industry. This is recent files. If you don't have any recent files, you not work in any file that is not shown in your system. In the left side, you see AutoCAD 2023. I teach you about 2023 AutoCAD. In the bottom, you see open. When you click it, that is open file. If you have old files, you can easily open from here. Now we start from beginning level, so we can click on the new. When you click on the new drawing is open, and you can also open this from the this plus button. You see right here new drawing, so you see drawing 2 and drawing 3 is open here, and I close one of them. He asking about save changes to drawing. I cannot work any thing in this card, so I click on the no, and you see there is many tabs like home, insert, annotate, and many more tabs. And you see bottom that is UCS x-axis, y-axis. X-axis means horizontal and y-axis means vertical. And you see here that is box. You can remove it from press the F7 button. You see is right from the this interface. Now go, I will tell you about tabs. Home tab have a line, polyline, circles, and methods of circles. How you can draw a circle, arc, any arc you want, draw here. Rectangle and rectangle, polygon, ellipse, and method of ellipse, how to draw ellipse. Hatch, what is hatch? I will teach about the hatches: moves, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, scale, trim, fillet, array. And you can also modify commands from this drop down menu. Here is erase. You can erase anything, and that is text, dimension, and what type of dimension you want to use. That is ladders, what ladder lines you want to need, layers, properties, and when you draw new layers, add here. And how to insert anything here, that is match properties. You can match one thing with the other, and that is colors. You can change your line color, line cut, line type, and line thickness, groups. And go to the next insert. You can see here is many type of tab insert. From this you can also add any PDF, edit attributes, create blocks, and many more. That is PDF import, how to PDF import DGN file if you have, how to import it, and any other files you can import from here. In annotate command, you see many things are open. This annotate are used in when you work in layout. Some people are working model and some are working layout, so I will teach the difference between the model and layout. And the annotations are used in layout work. The parametrics, you can use this parametric in any way. That is view. You see UCS icon is this, and this is view cube. View cube is that thing, and you can change the view cube. You see here, and I rotate it. when I rotate it, you see x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis are shown here. That is mostly used in 3D working. Navigation bar, that is tools used for shortcut work. That is manage, you can manage anything from here. Output, you can also see the output. Mostly you draw a drawing and you want to plot it, that is plot button. You can also convert the your drawing in PDF, or you can also plot it for printer. Adds in, collaborate, express tools, picture apps, that all things we will use in this channel. Further, I will teach about 2D drawings and also the 3D work and 3D modeling. If you not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and click on the share button.